This isn't just a classic car, it's a survivor El Camino that blends muscle car power with pickup practicality. And at just $20,000, it's one of the rarest rides you'll ever see in perfect factory colors. Stick around because you're about to witness every inch of American 1980s perfection. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, you are in for a treat that combines muscle car firepower with classic pickup utility. The 1986 Chevrolet El Camino, a sharp survivor that looks straight out of a 1980s dream. And trust me, this isn't just any El Camino. This one comes in factory correct, dark red, metallic, absolutely stunning, with a maroon interior that still feels original and alive. Now, let's start with the first thing you notice, the exterior. From the moment you lay eyes on that dark red metallic paint, you'll see it's been repainted with exact factory colors, keeping that authentic look while making it pop under the sun. The factory wheels with 225/70 R14 tires complete the classic silhouette perfectly. This isn't just a truck, it's a head-turning piece of 1980s American muscle, a car that demands a second look, whether parked at a show or cruising down the boulevard. Slide inside and the interior is just as impressive. Claret maroon upholstery on a bench seat gives it that vintage feel, while power windows, power door locks, and a tilt steering column add a layer of comfort and convenience that wasn't standard on every car back then. Check out the factory gauge package with a tachometer. Every dial, every needle, it's like stepping back in time. And yes, it even has the AM/FM/cassette stereo, perfect for blasting your favorite 80s hits as you take this beauty out for a spin. But let's talk about what really makes this El Camino special. What's under the hood? You've got a 305 cubic inch V8 engine, a solid 5.0 liter powerhouse paired with a 4-speed automatic TH200 4R transmission. This setup gives you smooth, confident acceleration, that unmistakable V8 rumble, and torque that makes this truck hybrid feel surprisingly agile. Coupled with power steering and power front disc brakes, it's a vehicle that's as enjoyable to drive as it is to look at. And it's not just about performance. This El Camino balances classic style and drivability. The air conditioning system may need some servicing, but when it's blowing cold, you've got a perfect combo of comfort and classic car character. It's a daily drivable classic, perfect for collectors who want originality with usability, or enthusiasts looking for a weekend cruiser that still turns heads everywhere it goes. One thing that makes this particular El Camino a standout is its survivor status. Unlike the over-restored or heavily modified examples you see, this car retains its original charm with tasteful updates, making it a true collector's gem. Every detail, from the factory-correct paint to the authentic interior features, speaks to a time when Chevrolet built vehicles that were functional, stylish, and unforgettable. And if you're thinking about shows or cruises, imagine rolling up in this, the classic dark red metallic body shining under the lights, the V8 rumbling just enough to make a statement, and that perfectly preserved interior ready for passengers. Whether you're a longtime El Camino fan or a newcomer to the model, this is the one that makes you stop and stare. The one that reminds you why these cars have a cult following. So if you love classic American muscle, timeless style, and a dash of utility, this 1986 Chevrolet El Camino is your dream come true. It's priced at $20,995, and at that value, you're getting a muscle-powered, survivor-level collectible that's ready to cruise, show, and enjoy for years to come. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we'll be bringing you more incredible classics like this every single week. And drop a comment below, what would you do first if you had this El Camino in your driveway? And until next time, keep your engines warm, your wheels shining, and your classic car dreams alive.